Hello everyone, we are Team Astra and today we are presenting AutoGuard AI, an intelligent platform that enables predictive and preventive maintenance for vehicles. First, the owner registers on the platform by entering their full name, email address, phone number and password. After confirming the password and accepting the terms and conditions, they can log in using their email address and password. Once logged in, they navigate to the My Vehicle section and register their vehicle by providing details such as registration number, vehicle name, manufacturer model, year of manufacture, vehicle type, engine number, chassis number, distance traveled, and the parameters they want to monitor. They also upload images of the vehicle and complete the registration process. Our system uses a sensor module installed inside the vehicle. It consists of an MQ2 gas sensor for gas detection and INA219 sensor for measuring voltage, current and power, and SW420 vibration sensor for vibrating monitoring, and MQ6050 for measuring acceleration, and the Neo 6M GPS plus GSM module. All these sensors work together to collect real-time vehicle data and send it to our platform for continuous monitoring. One of our key features is AI inspection. The user simply selects the registered vehicle and starts a scan. Our AI analyzes the vehicle and identifies any potential faults, abnormalities, or damage. If an issue is detected, the user can navigate to the maintenance section and create a new maintenance request by entering the vehicle name, service center, affected vehicle part, preferred service date, description of the issue, and uploading an image. Once the request is submitted, a maintenance task is automatically created. The request is then reviewed by the manager. After approval, the manager assigns the task to the appropriate technician. The assigned task becomes visible on the technician's dashboard under the My Task section. The technician can then begin the repair work. Once the maintenance is completed and the payment process is finished, the technician updates the task status on the platform. The update is reflected across the system, allowing everyone involved to track the maintenance progress in real time. The admin has complete access to platform and can monitor all registered vehicles, track ongoing operations, and view detailed analytics and insights for every vehicle. Finally, as you can see, the vehicle status is displayed as completed, indicating that entire maintenance flow from fault detection to repair and completion has been successfully finished. Thank you so much.